Hey everyone, this is Stacy and I hope your day is going well. I want to invite you this week and for the rest of December to log on to blacktruth.tv.org and get a little experience about what I have been creating now since March of this year, page by page error. Oh God, by error. If you could even Man, if you could know the times in the summer where I sat and did not get up for about 12 hours trying to solve one problem, but that's what I do. I love it. But Black Truth TV was created because black people, if you're anything like me, and I'm 61 years old, we have nothing that we can go to and just see us. And when I started doing that on YouTube, they started blocking everything. They'd play for the weekend, Monday, every Monday they would just block it, just like they have blocked things just this past Monday. Things that are on PBS that are free to watch. So I thought back in March, I said, you know what? AI is out here. It can help me. I already know code. I have a couple of degrees. I'm a pretty smart girl. And we put this together. And so, what I want to show you in this video is how to log on. If you don't have a user profile yet, you have to request one. It's not automatic. And, I love that people want to sign up. I've already had some people trying to sign up with, ABCDEFG as their first name. We're not doing that here. This isn't for shenanigans. Okay. This is for people who, like me, would love to just get as much content about the history of Black people and what we have gone through, the things that they are so determined on hiding from us. And that's what this is all about. And so I want to show you how to log on, request a profile if you don't have one, and then get into the system. I'm going to walk you through it, see what we have created, and hopefully you will join the Black Truth TV family. There'll be so much more here, and it is designed that way. I decided just to come out with a channel at a time so there's no more delays and you can enjoy everything anyway. And I'll show you how. So, if you don't have a login already, you're going to request access here. Click that button and it'll ask you your name, your email, why you want to join, what channel you like the best, and it just gives, some ones that we already have. Maybe I've mentioned on YouTube before. Would you be willing to volunteer? Because this is our network for our nonprofit, SF Johnson Family and Community Services. And always looking for volunteers, especially now. And it asks if you'd be willing to donate. There is a donation uh, button there that I do believe it works. And this is all something that I pay for out of my pocket, but it's a labor of love. So donate, that would be great, but that is never a requirement and it never has been for Stacy. And that's why my life remains blessed. But if you do, trust me, we greatly appreciate it. All right, so you submit the request and it comes to me and we look it over. And like I said, this is a space not for disrespect, not for dishonor. This is a private space, as the form says. Black Truth TV is a private, curated community. Okay, submitted the form doesn't guarantee access. Okay, and know that. I would love for everyone to join, but again, this isn't a place for disrespect or, oh, why is your hair blonde if you, oh man, it's not. It's not a place for that. All right, so now if you already have access, you're going to go ahead and let's go back to the main form because every time I try to do it here, it wants to mess me up because this is my main computer and it's like, you have to start incognito. All right, so I set myself up. I put in my own username and password. And when you do, press sign in and it brings you here. All right, so this is the Black Truth TV member hub. I'm very proud of it. A couple buttons here. Now we do have 31 channels and we're rolling out a channel at a time. And let me fix the screen because you're not seeing what I'm seeing. So hold on one second and let me fix. Oh, I don't know if I can fix it. Oh, grandma, come on. Let's see. Yeah, let's fix that so you can see what I'm seeing. exactly, maybe a little smaller, but you'll be able to see what I'm saying. All right. So, yeah, I think that'll do it. I think that'll do it. Hopefully, we can get that over there. All right. So it's a little smaller, but that's the member hub where we have the live network, and each of these are buttons. Live network, on demand collection, which, like I said, we're previewing channel one because everything's spelled correctly in the guide, like it's supposed to be. But you do have access to all 31 and whatever's in each of those buckets, we call it, where I put all of the content. All right. Community chat, we have set up uh, on a larger scale, but we are also setting it up channel by channel. So you can be the one to add the first, what you think about the channel or whatever, and it stays. All right. In the back, fourth buttons. Let's see. Let's look at on demand. I like on demand, right? Because it's all 31 channels, it's whatever's in the bucket, and the person trying to act out wanted the Black Truth music experience, which I get it. Okay, so when you log on to it, you have to unmute it, and whatever's in that bucket is going to be there for you to play, and it's all in it's all of it, and I can't play it because of course it's Donnie. We can't play Donnie on here. But yeah, man, it's so cool. This is the part I was like, if I could do this, I almost you could just do the stuff forever. All right, you could sit up forever. But everything doesn't have something in it, or it does, and it's just ugly. Like, let's go into that bucket. Some things need to be spelled different, fixed. But we're only on channel one. But again, you have access to everything. Okay, and I want you to get in there and watch everything. Okay, so this is the thing I love the most. All right, so let's go back. Live network, all of the channels. Okay, and the construction channels are password protected, so people will have to pay me to watch those, and that's stuff we don't show on YouTube. Right, but channel one, Resistance TV, and what it's all about or everything we see here. Okay, if you've ever seen Black Journal, that's on air magazine, what they called it back in the 70s. Okay, and it has so much black relevance, and you'll just love the stuff that you're watching. Okay, right now it's 1968 part two. Okay, and it's going to show you. And like I said, before the holiday, we'll have the individual channel chats working. So if you watch watching the stuff you want to comment, it's going to be there for people. All right, and then the what's playing. So this is our channel one. This is where we're previewing this week. Resistance TV, and you can look at the guide and see everything that'll be there. But again, hey, you can watch everything. Okay, I like this one, 17, because you got some concerts in there you can watch. Did I press on it? Okay. Yeah, some old school concerts you can watch, and music is also in there. So some Bob Marley. See, it got to be cleaned up a little bit. Helpers don't know how to spell. They're only 9, but yeah, okay. Even some Richard Pryor in there. You can list Sam Cooke. Really good stuff. All right, made for my people. So, yeah, make sure. And again, blacktruth.tv.org. Sign in or request access. And I hope you will enjoy it. Anything that they blocked on YouTube, you can bet your bottom dollar it is on here. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you over there.